Spelling and formatting check in Excel? Yes, please. If, like me, you've ever manually entered data into a spreadsheet, you probably experienced the wonderful world of typos and assorted formatting inconsistencies. Fortunately, there are tools that can reduce these errors, and this video will highlight how to use data validation and number formatting in Excel to do just that. So let's say I'm a Pokemon researcher collecting data about the various Pokemon I catch. To maximize my error reduction, I want to make sure to set all relevant conditions in my spreadsheet before I enter any data. First, I select all cells in the Type 1 column, except for the column header, and navigate to Data and Data Validation. Then I choose the List option and input all acceptable values, which in this case are the 18 elemental types. This limits cell values to terms from the list, guaranteeing consistency in spelling and capitalization. For the Type 2 column, I'll repeat this process and add a None option to the data validation list, since not all Pokemon have 2 types. I can also combine data validation and number formatting to set conditions for the height and weight columns. I set the data validation to accept any numbers greater than 0, while specifying that the number formatting must go to 1 decimal place. Excel will automatically add a decimal place if one is forgotten, or round to the nearest tenth if too many decimal places are inputted. If I enter a value that does not meet the conditions I set, Excel helpfully produces an error message and forces me to delete the entry before I can move on. It's important to emphasize that while data validation and number formatting are powerful tools, they can't prevent every error. For example, you can still type in an incorrect value for a weight, like 12.4 instead of 21.4, or select the wrong type category, like maybe I put water when I meant bug or something. But our main goal is to reduce the occurrence of errors where we can to improve the overall quality of our data. You can learn more about data management and data cleaning strategies at some of our Data Bytes workshops, or schedule a one-on-one consultation with me if you want more personalized guidance or have specific questions.